Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, we will show you how to complete the parallel configuration on SEM-X step by step. Open your browser and enter the SEM-X configuration website. Open your browser and access the SEM-X web interface. Use the assigned device IP address, or access 192.168.0.254 for a direct connection. Then log in with your username and password. To begin, we will first add the inverter to the system. First, go to Device Management, then select Inverter. Enter the equipment information page and click Add. In the pop-up window, select the communication channel. Choose Inverter as the device type. Set the start address and address quantity, then click Submit. Now, verify that the device has been added successfully. Now we will add the meter to the system. Next, select Meter from the left menu. Then click Add under Equipment Information. Select the communication channel. Choose the meter type. The system supports ESTRON and SHNT meters. Set the start address and address quantity, then click Submit. Device has been added successfully. After the meter has been added, go to System Settings. Select Power Regulation, then enter Energy Management. In the Meter Configuration section, select After adding the meter, go to System Settings. Select Power Regulation, then Energy Management. Under Meter Configuration, select the channel, meter type, and meter address. Then click Submit to complete the meter configuration. Finally, configure the required energy management functions. After completing the meter configuration, you can proceed to power control settings. Here, you can configure export power limitation and other power management functions based on project requirements. Go to TOU setting. Here, you can configure time-based operation modes according to project requirements. The SEM-X Parallel configuration is now complete. Thank you for watching.